Since knives are one of the most frequently used tools in any kitchen, it's important to have a top-notch set of blades in your arsenal. But while most knife sets are equipped with options that can tackle just about any recipe, there are certain cooking tasks that even the most top-of-the-line set of knives can't handle.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric carving knives. So let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Knife. Thousands of Amazon shoppers have given this Hamilton Beach carving knife their seal of approval because it lets them cut through both cooked and raw meat quickly and evenly. The handy gadget weighs only 2 pounds, and it comes with its own carrying case and carving fork. After deciding to make roast beef for Christmas dinner, I realized the chore that it would be for my brother to carve, said one customer. I came in and searched for an electric knife. This knife is perfect. It wasn't too loud, sliced the meat beautifully and cleaned up quickly and easily. Definitely one of my better purchases this year. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 9-inch Electric Carving Knife. If you are looking for a way to cut even slices of bread in a flash, check out this electric knife from BLACK+DECKER. The 9-inch serrated blade will cut through even the crustiest loaves with ease. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Even better, the knife has a safety lock button, so you don't have to worry about it immediately turning on as soon as you plug it in. One shopper said it slices through everything like butter, before adding, in honor of Sous. Number 3. Cuisinart CEK30. While this Cuisinart model can work on all types of meats, many Amazon shoppers say it's their go-to option for cleaning and filleting fish. Along with an ergonomic non-slip handle, the carving knife also has a dishwasher-safe blade and a 5-foot power cord, so you can use the knife from just about anywhere in the kitchen. This knife is no joke, wrote one customer. It's sharp and cuts everything. I cut through a chicken, bones and all like nobody's business. I cut through ribs and fish without it falling apart. It cuts through bread without butchering it. I love this knife. Number 2. Proctor Silex Easy Slice Electric Knife. At only $18, this electric knife is definitely the most affordable option on the list, but shoppers say it still boasts the same carving power as its more expensive counterparts. Weighing less than 2 pounds, the kitchen gadget's reciprocating stainless steel blades provide excellent precision control, so you can slice through food in a flash. Wow, this knife worked great, said one customer. Number 1. Wearing Commercial Cordless Electric Knife. If you don't like being held back by a power cord, this cordless electric knife by Wearing might be the right option for you. The professional-grade knife uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and it even has a built-in LED light that lets you see exactly where you are cutting. Not only does it have an adjustable slicing guide that helps you decide how big of a slice to make, but it also comes with 2 different-sized interchangeable blades and a carrying case. That was our list of the top 5 best electric carving knives just for you.